Hey everyone, welcome on David Stack. So in the last video, we worked on the camera tab, and till the last video, we are able to click and view the photo on the next tab. So in this video, what we are going to achieve is that we wanted to add a video recording feature as well on this camera tab. So if I will long press this thing, then automatically a video recording feature will be on like we have in a WhatsApp, and when I will just leave it, then we will land into the new page where we can play the video just like the WhatsApp. So if I will play the video, then you can see that the video is playing and audio is also playing. Okay, so we are going to achieve this functionality in this video. So please watch the video till the last, and please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like and share the video. So let's start decoding. So this is the code where we left in the last video. I'm going to convert this inkwell to the gesture detector because gesture detector provide us two additional functionality, which is the on long press, because we're going to long press to start the video. So here we have to perform some logic, and on long press move or on long press up. That will be good. So when a person will long press here, then we have to start the recording. And when a person will just leave the long press, then automatically the video recording will be ended and we will land into the new page. So let's here write the logic. So as you know that everything performed in a camera is async and await type, that's why we had to make this method to async and await type. And you know that everything we are controlling with help of the camera controller which we created when we initialize the camera. So if I will go on a take photo method, then in a take photo method, you will get to know that first we are creating a path where we want to store the photo. Similar kind of thing we have to do over here as well. Like we have to create a path where we want to store the video. So the video name will be the datetime.now, which means the current time will be picked, and instead of the PNG, we have to make it as a MP4. And now we got the path. Now we can use the camera controller which we created. So here we have the camera controller, and in a camera controller we are going to await, and the camera controller provide video start video recording method. So in a start video recording method, we have to provide the path which we created just now. Let me provide the path, and after providing the path, the video recording will be on when we long press here. But there is a problem, like how we will know that the video recording is on. Like in a WhatsApp, when we click, then the red dot will come here. Same kind of thing we have to do over here. Like we are showing this circle icon as of now when we click the photo, but when we long press, then we have to convert this icon to the red dot. So to handle this icon, we are going to create a new variable. Although we can control it using the camera controller only, but I'm going to create a new variable for the simplicity. Okay, so here I'm going to create a new variable which will be a type of bool, and name will be is recording, which means it is recording or not. Okay, and at the first it will be false because we are not recording at the first, and we are going to handle this icon with help of this is recording variable. So where we have the icon, here we have the icon. So let me write a condition. If the is recording is true, then we have to show the another icon. So the icon will be icons dot radio button on. Okay, and if it is false, then we have to show this icon only. So here I added a ternary operator, like if the is recording is true, which means we have to show the icon radio button, and if it is false, then only we have to show this panorama icon. Okay, and also we have to perform the something like we have to provide the color to colors dot red, and also we have to give the, okay, here we have an issue, colors dot rate. Also we have to provide the size of this icon to size uh, 80, and let me hit the save. Okay, so we added a ternary operator over here, which means it will convert to the radio button. Now the next thing we have to do that if the video recording is on, then we are not going to perform the camera click. So here we are taking the photo. Here we have to write a condition like if is recording is true. Okay, like at the time of recording the video, we don't want to click the photo. That's why I added this condition, which means if the is recording is false, which means this condition will be true, then only click the photo, because at that time we are not recording the video. Otherwise, if the is recording is on, which means it is true, then this condition will be false and we will not click the photo. Okay, so that is the condition where we don't want to click the photo at the time of recording the video. And now we can set the state of the is recording on a long press, that if the we press on a long press, I mean we long press on this icon, then we have to set the state is recording to true. Okay, let's write the logic of on long press up as well when we move on from this button. So at that time we have to stop the video recording. So let me put this method to async and await again, because we are performing with the camera, and let me use the await and let me use the camera controller to stop the video. So here we have the camera controller, and camera controller have the method called stop video recording. Okay, so we stop at the video recording, and just after the video recording will be stopped, we have to set the state of this is recording to false. Okay, so the video recording will be off, then we have to move on to the next page as well. So let me create a new page first, then we will validate this thing. Okay, so I'm going to create a new screen. The name will be video view dot. Okay, and a video view dot, what I'm going to do that I'm just going to copy the exact code for the camera view. Okay, and we will gonna modify the code. Okay, so this camera view code you will get into the last video which we created, and I'm going to paste the whole code over here, and I'm going to just convert this stateless widget. But first let me change the camera view name to the video view. That will be okay. Camera view to video view, because we have to play the video, that's why I'm creating a new page. And I'm going to change this stateless widget to the stateful widget. So I converted this stateless widget to the stateful widget, and let's go on a camera screen again. After the on long press up, we have to navigate to the another screen. So I'm going to use the navigator dot push. We have to perform the material page route thing over here, the builder method, and we have to return the video view page from here. Okay, and also we have to provide the path of the video. Okay, so let me provide the path of the video, because we set it the path here and we are performing the navigator in a on long press. We have to create a new variable for storing the path of the video. So let me create a string that will be a video path. At the time it will be empty. Then just after the creating the video path, on long press, here in a set state, also we have to set the path of the video where we stored. So I'm going to set the path of the video here, and let's use the video path here in a video page. So let me provide the path. From here I will gonna pass the video path. Okay, that's why in a video view that we are getting a variable from the constructor. Okay, the same thing we got on a camera view page, that we got the path from the camera screen to the camera view. Same kind of thing we will get from the camera screen to the video view. Okay, maybe this will be not confused to you. Now we provided the video part. Let me hit the save, and let's first check like everything is going fine or not. So let me on long press here. So see, when I on long press, then the video recording is on, because you can see that the red dot button over here. And if I will use the alt and let me record the video and let me stop it, and we are getting an error, because if I will go on a video view dot, then you will find that here in a body we are using the image dot file, but we are passing the video part. That's why we cannot use the image dot file widget for the video. To use a video, what we can do, to play a video we need a video player plugin as well in our project. Here we have the video player plugin in a pub.dev. You just have to copy it, and you just have to add this dependency on a pubspec.yaml file here, and hit the Control S, then the Flutter pubget will run and this dependency will be installed. Now if I will go here, then this video player provided a very good documentation. Like here we have, for that we first need to create a video player controller, and then we have to perform the init state. So let's follow the rule. Okay, so I have to go on a video.view.dot, and here first thing is I had to create a video player controller, and I had to import the video player.dart file. So this is the variable of the video player controller. Then we have to add or initialize this controller on init state. So if I will go on a documentation again, and I'm just going to copy this whole code, and I will gonna explain you that what thing is here happening. Okay, so let me paste it, and here in a init state we are initializing the controller. So we are initializing this variable which we created, and here with help of the video player dot network, we are not going to use this video player dot network. Let me just delete this video player dot network, and let me use the video player dot file, because we have to play the video from the file only. And I'm going to use this file again, and remember I'm using this file and the .io is imported, so use the file which .io is provided, and let me provide the path which we are getting from the camera screen. So here we have to use the widget because it is a stateful widget, and with help of the widget parameter only we can get access of the path which we are getting. And now we initialize the controller. Okay, here we initialize the controller with help of the video player controller dot file, because our video is stored on a file. Then we initialize it, and we are performing this thing because we have to show the thumbnail as well, because you can see it that the very good explanation is provided by the documentation that ensure the first frame is shown after the video is initialized, which means when we initialize the video, then the first frame will be shown on as like the thumbnail. Okay, so in this way we initialize the video player controller, and now instead of using the image.file, we have to use the video player controller widget which is provided by the video player. So let me delete it, and let me go on the video player documentation again. Here you can see that the video player is using the aspect ratio widget to show the video. Okay, First, it is checking the condition like the video player controller is initialized or not. If it is initialized, then the widget is aspect ratio, and with help of the aspects controller.value.aspect ratio, we can get the aspect ratio of the video, and we are using the video player widget, and we are passing the controller which we created. So let me just copy it, and I'm going to explain everything again to you. I'm just copying and pasting the thing because I don't want to write it again. This video is already exhausted. So here in a child, first thing we are just checking that video player controller is initialized or not. If it is initialized, then I'm using the aspect ratio widget, and we are getting the aspect ratio of the video with help of the controller only. And at the last, in aspect ratio child, we are using the video player widget, which is provided by the video player .dart file only. Okay, so everything we just added here in aspect ratio. If the video player is not initialized, we just have to show the empty container. Now, if I will hit the save and I will just resume it, and if I will just restart the app again, just wait to restart the app, and after, okay, wait, it is stop. Let me run the app again. It will going to take some time. Till that, I'm pausing the video. So the app is started, and let me test it. So if I will long press here, then video recording will be on, and if I will move on from here, then the video recording will be off, and we will land into the video view page. As of now, we don't have any play or pause button here. We also have to add the play and pause button. So let me add that thing. So in a video view.dart file, the first children is the video player, second children is the text form field. Let me add the third children. It will gonna be inkwell. Okay, and in the inkwell we have the child. And what will be the child? The child, we have the icon, and we have to control this icon with help of the controller. So we created the video controller variable, and we have to use it. So controller have the value method, and if the controller is playing, which means we have to show the pause button. So if we are playing the video, then we have to we have to show the icons dot pause button. And if the controller dot value is not playing, which means we have to show the play button, icons dot play. And also we have to provide the color of the icon, which will be a colors dot white. And also we have to provide the size of the icon, which will be 50. And let me hit the save and see the changes. So here the button is added, but we have to put it on a center of this whole screen. For that, I'm going to use another widget to put it on a center. So we are going to use the align widget here, and we are going to use the alignment to alignment dot center to put the icon in a center. After putting the icon in a center, we also have to add the background color of this thing, like we have in a WhatsApp. So I'm just going to wrap this child to the circle avatar. So let me wrap this child to the circle avatar widget again. So I'm going to use the circle avatar widget, and in a circle avatar we have the radius property. So let me provide the radius property. We are making it exactly look like the WhatsApp one. So the radius will be 33. and we have the background color, and we are going to use the colors dot black. 38 will be good, and I'm going to hit the save. See, now it is added over here. Now in a Inkwell, we have the onTap method that will control the play or pause the video. So let me write the logic of the playing or pausing the video. So in a set state, we are we have to just play or pause the video. So we are going to use the again controller dot value dot is playing. So if the video is playing, which means we have to pause it if someone click on this button. So how we can pause it? We can pause with help of the controller only, controller dot pause video. If the video is not playing, we have to play the video with help of the controller dot play. Okay, so all the logic are written here. Let's test it. For that, I will go back and I'm going to record the video, and let me long press here and let's record the video. And if I will move on from here, then the video recording will be off, and let me play this. See, we can play the video as well, which means the purpose of this video is completed. So thank you all and happy coding. See you on our next video. And our backend of this chat app development will start soon. Stay updated. Thank you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay.